Do you ever wonder how some people seem to build wealth effortlessly while others struggle despite earning a good income? What if I told you there's a financial superpower that, once unleashed, can transform even modest investments into a substantial fortune over time? It's not magic, it's the power of compounding, and today, we're going to explore how Acorns helps you harness this incredible force to grow your money. For many, investing can feel intimidating. The stock market seems complex, and the idea of needing a lot of money to start is a common misconception. This is where Acorns shines. They've democratized investing, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their starting capital. But beyond just making it easy to invest, Acorns is an expert at putting the power of compounding to work for you. So, what exactly is compounding? Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. As it rolls, it picks up more snow, getting bigger and bigger, which in turn allows it to pick up even more snow at an accelerated rate. Compounding works similarly with your money. You invest a certain amount, and that money earns returns. In the next period, not only does your initial investment earn returns, but the returns themselves start earning returns. It's like earning interest on your interest, and it creates an exponential growth curve that can be truly astonishing over the long term. Let's look at a simple example. If you invest $100 and earn 10% interest, you'll have $110. In the second year, that 10% isn't just on your original $100, it's on the full $110, bringing your total to $121. While $1 may not seem like much of a difference initially, project that out over 20, 30, or even 40 years, and those seemingly small differences compound into thousands, even hundreds of thousands of dollars. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to compound, and time is truly your greatest asset in this equation. Acorns facilitates this beautifully through several features. First, their roundups feature allows you to invest spare change from everyday purchases. Every time you buy a coffee for $3.50, Acorns rounds it up to $4 and invests that 50-cent difference. These small, consistent contributions might seem insignificant on their own, but when compounded over years, they can add up to a significant sum without you even feeling the pinch. Second, Acorns encourages recurring investments. Whether it's $5 a day, $20 a week, or $100 a month, setting up automated deposits ensures you're consistently feeding your investment snowball. This discipline, combined with the magic of compounding, is a potent wealth-building strategy. You're consistently adding new principal, and that new principal, along with all your accumulated returns, is continuously compounding. Finally, Acorns offers diversified portfolios tailored to your risk tolerance. This diversification helps manage risk while keeping your money invested in assets that are designed to grow over time, giving compounding the fertile ground it needs to flourish. You don't need to be a stock market guru. Acorns handles the complexities, allowing you to focus on consistent contributions and let time do its work. The power of compounding isn't about getting rich quick, it's about getting rich smart. It's about patience, consistency, and understanding that every small investment you make today has the potential to grow exponentially tomorrow. Acorns provides the perfect platform to leverage this financial superpower, turning your spare change and consistent contributions into a powerful engine for long-term wealth creation. Don't underestimate the impact of starting small and staying consistent.